Hello, I'm Nadia McLeod from RPMRE Legal Kits, and we help property owners cut their legal costs with our online template kits. A solid real estate lease can increase the value of your commercial property, as well as protecting your investment and protecting you, the property owner, from unforeseen liability. It's also a platform for your relationship with your tenant. When it comes to factories, offices and warehouses, a solid professional lease agreement goes a long way towards building a lasting relationship with your tenant. And of course, the longer the relationship lasts with a tenant, the more it adds value to your property. The RPMRE Commercial Property Lease Agreement contains easy-to-follow instructions and provides you with the confidence you need to finalise negotiations with your ideal tenant. For more information on the RPMRE Commercial Lease Agreement, go to our website www.rpmre.com.au.